Hello, I am Christopher Chen, the Assistant Director for the Los Angeles Center of Excellence for Labor Market Research. Today, I'll be going through a quick overview of our new labor market information request form. It's important to note that this form is for community college use only. If you are from any of the other agencies listed below, we request that you use our research request form instead. So first, select the community college checkbox and click Next. Then select Los Angeles and click Next. Here, you want to select your college from the drop-down list below. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll select Cerritos. In this section, you'll enter your Los Angeles Regional Consortia voting member details. If you don't know your voting member information, you can click on the link here to go to the LARC website. So we can see here for Cerritos College, Dr. Nick Riel is the voting member. So we'll put his name here, and we'll put his email down here. Now, it's important to note that if you're copying the email, you need to delete the spaces after the email to make sure that you can proceed. So we'll do that here. Next, you want to choose the category of labor market information that is being requested. By hovering over each of the category names, you will be able to see a more detailed description of the category. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll choose District or College Program Review because that has the biggest change compared to our former labor market information form. So if you choose District or Community College Program Review and click Next, you'll be presented with two options: whether or not there are several programs undergoing review or only one program. If you click that there are several programs undergoing review, you'll be presented with a checklist of different top codes that you can choose. You want to make sure you select the 2-digit top codes for all the programs that are currently undergoing review. So for example, we'll choose top 12 for health and top 21 for public and protective services. After I've selected all the 2-digit top codes for the programs undergoing review, I'll click the Next button. Now here in the last section, if you know more details of your top codes, including the top 6-digit code, we ask that you enter the information here in the comment section below. So for this example, I put in 123020 licensed vocational nursing and 210400 human services. After you enter your information, you click the submit request button and the request will go into our queue. We'll be then reaching out shortly for any questions and details to complete your request. Thank you.